What that tells me is that Bawumia is in trouble.
Bawumia is in trouble?
Yeah.
How?
Because this is a particular electoral college ebetimi ahwepe in line easily.
Okay.
What am I saying? Then the second phase, a man you who say this particular electoral college are the main whips in all the constituencies. You say they cannot temasia. That is it.
Now what makes you think say they cannot ship them?
What makes me think say Bawumia is in trouble and say if you're not able to ship all these people in line to get even 75 to 80%.
What makes you think you can ship the
and
police
this,
station
even within that, the manipulations of easy say, what would you can now they actually do it? What would you can now they actually do it? And that is what they were doing now.
Because they were camped and the bus brought them.
Yes. And Allah Nipaniko protested, yeah.
Ali Zakaria.
No, Mubono. And I can Nipano so Korea did a bounty on some pamuni free or cry showdown a buyer. What's my say? And these are MPs,
ministers,
constituency chairmen,
regional ministers,
regional chairmen, like regional executives.
National.
MPP national headquarters. Shaba ken nyawo. Aba ala nyawo. What am I say? So for me, it tells you say, yes, some of the MPs are relying on a more second term of office continuation. They were sponsored to actually fix the 555 in favor of Bawumia. So it was hang go hang come. Inti scratch my back, I scratch your back. That was what they did. Inti most of the MPs, especially in Ashanti and Eastern region, that was the focus. Inti Ashanti votes ne call the I wasn't surprised because they consciously selected most of the MPs. Emma Omusika said, polling station executives no monye na mo fa hye elections in suicide rusua ye ma obi am be contest in the unlikely situation so obi be backcrash or be contest no we are ready to support you. So most of the MPs are you omani mo Ashanti region especially.
Why are you talking like you were there?
Arenye any omnenam.
Okay. Mamintiu.
Oh, so most of it were established for them. So one kasa wa establish bibi. No be etimi free baby. Abekasa amanipa na wa establish this establishing as so the tia there. When your own dog starts barking at you, it means somebody is feeding it. So wow kramaya oni nitifie. Ube du fia kramaya start a pow. Let's just say Ubia started man aduane. And that is what the danger Canada Japan brings to this election. It would have been like a protest vote. Now it's as if say Nipani yempeno. Chinchina mu pese mu pian didn't share ye kong. Now what is happening is a fine. You should say ye anima mu be 20 ayen. Entino mu be ma MPs ni bia luzu. Constituency chairman for
Canada Japan semi. Tie. Proud to you know. Okay, what are you saying?
My point is say most of these people know one or nye MPA almost say kura numu a or regional executive and constituency executive contract bi kura numu inti no wa nya favor we ma ho. So most of them no are the establishment candidates good. Inti you would expect say enka mu nyina ko all out for Bawumia would have been easy. But to have your own establishment, not to say obietimi abowura sa establishment no. Now what that does is that
okay,
grassroots for now mobile no.
My intino. Kasa.
What it means is that one Kennedy Day in Kenya be some grassroots for no.
About hope.
Yes. So you can defy these people and there will be no consequences.
Company for no cry be my defy.
Yes. What am I say? Into grassroots for now.
Take it off.
Grassroots for now no munu for say oh now they have they were scared. They were as a big mfimfin yanko anase me yanko ye kwa de ne besi no. Now this result has given the now we mu kura na kwa ni say masa and they are all now it is 555 now war polling stations over 38,000 polling stations no.
Almost on the door super.
They cannot all be shipped in line now.
But the issue is also this. Most of the MPs also control the grassroots.
And I make sure I say most of the MPs no result in actually. What I say? It means some of the MPs didn't flip.
But Edison say, doesn't it also tell you say on the day of November 4th, say most of the MPs no so some crop for. And this time around it's 50 plus 1.
Yes, and I make sure I say this time around what is going to happen is Alan's vote will go up more than the 10% in November. Because there are some constituencies a chairman no kwa na call ye. Otima say chairman ni MP kwa a na your friend is saying regional executive be in free ho. So the moment this time around all the constituency executives are going now. Then the 555 from all the polling stations in constituencies be Ashanti region cry favorable to Alan. When all those people now move Alan's numbers will go up. Canada Japan no on said any bank be to say Alan Rural Bank no. Canada Japan is doing joint ventureship with Bawumia. Bawumia commercial bank no a hona Canada Japan so acquire any deposit.
On any
that is the danger for Bawumia now. Alan there no need any rural bank and they kutem. And
are you surprised at Alan's?
I wasn't surprised at all because this establishment was actually established for Bawumia.
The Alan figure no.
It was surprising because it means some people defied the establishment.
What I'm saying is Kennedy beating Alan.
I knew Kennedy was going to beat Alan way back in June. Because I saw the way Kennedy was rising. Until no onya Bawumia de ni bi. No anu for kakra me middle minded for be ka ho a he will bow. Entina make us say November 4th. Oma hwe na Kennedy tra 30% they are in trouble. Kennedy timi tra 30%.
There is Abane second round.
That is it. And I'm sure Alan anya de kura obenya over 20%.
Really?
Yes. So in the event of a second round, Bawumia is in trouble. Seriously.
So you see a second round or you don't see a one time?
Bawumia, if they work hard and spend more, because now they are going to spend more.
More money.
Yes.
More money.
This is yes, apart the almost beshi. Bawumia can do between 50 to 54, 55.
That's your prediction.
Yes.
He can to who?
And I make I say between 50 to 55 they almost spend the power with me and one touch. But say the Kennedy call China Kennedy 30%. There's a second round. And the second round Bawumia should kiss it goodbye.
We don't favor the
because second round boom Alan Bow almost Alan will go beyond 20%.
Second round the banner Kennedy the dead man Alan will join.
Come on, Kodibemano. Allow ba and planting for flag bearers. Aye, onu so omu jano man tra 10.
Na 10 no easy. Who can't easy.
And this one he got 4%.
Yeah.
This is the establishment college. He got 4% in that.
Which means he can get 10.
So the nature on say so nipa ni nya 10% wo haseya. It means that 10% no they can ship another 10% too.
Which is Alan.
Yes.
Kennedy had 14. So Obetima double then you're 30.
He can even triple it. Because kingmakers no they are also still the chief whips who omo koto saba we no. Omo na ye nkrofo a omo so sa control most of the constituencies and the polling stations. And it's a jai ma we na wo so control no nipa ni free we chipe. It means what is even going to hurt them the most is say they can't know who was against them.
Yes.
As at now, Omutimi North East there, they decided to actually go all out. Say, Massa, yama mu sika yama mu bibia so masa de adri de yesre mu oto afa kire enye sa pa de a yempe surprises bia o ha.
Okay,
but the year me hu ni say central region is all what happened there. It was ABC 22, ABC 25 against 19. It means the general one Kennedy will beat them in central region. Mark my words. Kennedy will beat them in central region. We beat Bawumia in central region. Especially because of what they did in northeast. So the showdown no ebeba ho. So say na wo ye no wo kuro mu dia okay. Yes you ne sa and Alan Crawford so ni bebre wa Ashanti region. So that is where the showdown will happen.